Assalamu alaikum, grade one. This is your social studies class, and I'm again your ma'am Umama. Okay, so we have come after the weekend, and before, like in the previous week, we the topics we discussed were related to ourselves. We discussed in great detail that how we can introduce ourselves in a better way. What are the points that we can include? We started with some of the main basic things or the general 5 points that we should or we must tell while introducing ourselves. And then we also discussed some of the other details that we can add if we want to. Those were the skin color, your hair color, your eyes color, then so yeah, what type of dressing you like and all of that, right? So we discussed in great detail about myself. Now in this week we will do the second topic, that is my school, and in that we will discuss all of the things, all of the activities that are related to the school, and how we can what are the different activities that we do in the school, about the school uniform, about assembly, and all of that thing. Okay, and about classroom as well. So let's start with my school. And what you have to do is the starter activity. We will start from our lecture. Where you have to tell me that what are the things that come in your mind when somebody say this word in front of you. Let's say I write this word over here. Okay, I have written this word over here in front of you. Okay, what are the things that come in your mind when you look at this word school? What are the things that come in your mind? Okay, we will do in today's class. We will draw a mind map. Okay, what are the words that come in your mind related to that? What are the things? What do we do that, or why this thing is important? Let's say when I say school, there comes a discipline in your mind. Why? Because there is so much discipline. Like in our first week, we talked about the classroom rules, and I told you those rules in every class, in the start of every class, right? Why I keeps on repeating that? Because I want to be have a discipline in the class, because it is very important, right? Because when someone enters in your class, even if it's virtual, there should be discipline. It should look like that something going on related to learning is here. Students are learning in a better environment so that you can understand each and everything in a better way, right? So discipline is the very basic part of school, or let's say any learning institute, right? So we will be drawing this mind map. It's not compulsory that discipline comes in your mind. Whatever comes in your mind, you have to tell me that. Okay, so let's start that. Okay, so I'll be noting all of your points here, and then we will discuss all of those points. Here is school in this middle, and then you have to tell me all of the words, all of the things that come in your mind. And I told you mine, which is discipline. When I heard or when I look at this word, the first thing that comes in my mind is discipline. Why? Because we prefer discipline a lot. Okay, you know what? When I was in my childhood, I used to be the monitor of my class, you know. Okay, yes, from school comes the class, let's say, in our mind, okay. And then we also talked about monitor proctor, which is related to school, right? Because the monitor proctors are of this class, and class is a part of school. So we can write this as well. Okay. So what I was telling you that I used to be the monitor of my class, and I used to handle all of these things, right? So because of that, it was a great pressure on me that I need to maintain discipline in the class, right? Teachers asked me for that. Why the noise is coming from your class? Where is the monitor? So I need to be active in the whole time, and I need to manage each and everything. I help my class teacher in maintaining attendance register as well. Then I do if some teacher asks me to collect the copies, let's say English teacher says that I'll be checking your English copies today, so do collect all of the English copies from your class. I do that. When she checked the copies, I return the copies to the class again. So all of these activities, all of these duties were mine. So I practice discipline a lot. So due to that practice, and as I prefer discipline in this class, in my classes as well, so the word that comes in my mind is discipline. So I told you the behind story of that as well, that why this word come in mind, because I prefer that, I practice that a lot. Okay, so what are the words that come in your mind related to school? Okay, yes, Okay, bag, school bag. What else? Yes, Ahmad? Lunch break. Okay. What else? Who's going to tell me? Yes, Alize? Box. Okay. Yes. Okay, geometry box, let's say. Okay, what else? Okay, now think of other activities as well that we do in the school, you know. What are the activities? Yes, assembly. Then anything else? Assessments that we do in the school. Then is there anything else that comes? Okay, let's look at the areas that we have in our school. Can anybody, think about the library? Okay, the spellings are not correct. Okay, library. What else? Okay, nobody tell me about the playground. Oh, you missed that. Okay, then drawing. Does not this come in your mind? Okay, is there any ICT lab? See, there are so many things, right? And we have, missed a lot as well. These are some of the points or some of the things that come in our mind when we see this word or when we heard this word, right? So all you guys tell me this. So now if we discuss it in great detail, or if we talk about this, that what is this school or how these points are related to it, what we would say that school is an institute where discipline is important. Discipline should be followed, right? We have multiple, okay, we skip this. There is there are classrooms, right? There are multiple classrooms in the school. We also have a library, we have ICT lab, and we have let's say art room as well. We can give this a name where we do drawing, where we practice drawing, or where we take art lectures. Okay, then we can say that we take our school bag with us in the school. We have our books and our, let's say, pencil box or geometry box in the school bag. Then we can say that in our break time or in a lunch break, we do lunch, and then we go to the playground for some activities, right? Okay, did I skip any point? In the morning, we have assembly in the school, and I do participate in it, okay? Our class monitor is a very good and active child. So, what I did basically, there were some pointers, there were some words, and I created a story out of that. Through these small words, we discussed school, right? Now, what is your activity? What you have to do, you have to write this word. Similarly, I have written on the board, on your notebooks, like school, and then you have to write all of these words, whatever come in your mind, like school bag, lunch, punishment. Okay, nobody talked about this. Punishments. Okay, have you guys ever given any punishment from your teacher? Yes or no? Okay, let me tell you mine. Okay, I remember that when I was in grade 5, I have a monthly test and I didn't score well in it, in mathematics test. Okay, and I didn't score well. And what my teacher did, she asked me to write the whole test. There were 7 questions in that, and I need to write those 7 questions 10 times on my notebook. Okay, and that was a very hectic, assignment, or let's say punishment for me. And I did that, and then I submitted that punishment to my teacher, and then I, you know, prepare well for my all of the next assessments, right? So similarly, if you guys remember anything, any punishment, so you what you have to do is you have to write the word like this, right, like that, right in front of you, and you have to write all of the related words on your notebook. You have to create a mind map, and then on the next page you have to create or make a story out of these words the way I told you. that school is an institution where discipline is followed. Take our school bag with us in the school, in which we have our lunch and our geometry box and the books as well. In our lunchtime, we do our lunch, we play in the playground. There are multiple classrooms in the school. There is a library. We do our ICT work in the ICT lab, and we have a beautiful art room as well, and all that, right? So you have to create a story, not a story basically, a paragraph out of these words. Okay, so do you guys enjoy the class? Yes. Okay, cool. You have to write. So I have given you the activity that you have to do at your home. And now in your class right now, what you have to do is you have to draw the picture of a school. Okay, right? So this is because you are in a virtual school, so you do not have a school building, but you can draw an assumption, an assumed building. Let's say how usually schools look, or if you like any school building, you can draw that. Okay, whatever. So all of you are done? Okay, good. Show me your work. Excellent. Okay, so all of you are good in drawing as well. That's very good. So I have given you the home task as well, and I'll see you tomorrow, inshallah. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.